Ever wondered why native plants are essential for wildlife-friendly and sustainable gardens? The answer lies in their role in maintaining a balanced ecosystem. Native plants have evolved over centuries to thrive in local conditions, naturally attracting local wildlife. They're also the superheroes of sustainability, reducing the need for pesticides and fertilizers. Plus, they're water-wise, conserving this precious resource in ways imported plants can't match. Now that you understand the significance, let's jump into the top 7 native plants for your garden. Starting with number 7, we have the butterfly weed. This vibrant orange beauty is not just a feast for our eyes, but also a nectar source for butterflies, especially the monarchs. It prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Moving along to number 6, the New England aster. This plant's stunning purple flowers bloom late summer to fall, attracting a host of pollinators. It's a hardy plant that can survive in most soil types. Next up, at number 5, the purple coneflower. With its charming pink petals and spiky center, this plant is a magnet for bees and butterflies. It thrives in sunny areas and requires little maintenance. Then at number 4, we have the wild geranium. This plant's delicate violet flowers are a sight to behold in spring and summer. It's highly attractive to native bees and prefers shaded or partly shaded areas. Coming in at number 3, the black-eyed Susan. This sunny yellow flower is a favorite of butterflies and birds, and it's drought-tolerant, making it a low-maintenance option for your garden. At number 2, we have the switchgrass. This tall, graceful grass provides shelter for small creatures and seeds for birds during winter. It thrives in a variety of conditions, from wet to dry soil. And finally, at number 1, we have oak trees, a true powerhouse providing a habitat and food source for numerous wildlife species. Despite their size, they're surprisingly easy to care for, making them a sustainable choice for any garden. So there you have it, our top 7 native plants for a wildlife-friendly and sustainable garden. Remember, incorporating native plants is not just trendy, it's a step towards a healthier ecosystem. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!